Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. People have claimed that this 960 sunroof trim fits in here. Not so much. And it's a funny shaped trim. This small piece clips on the metal. This wide piece fits around the roof liner, so it separates the roof liner from the small metal piece. The thickness of this rubber at the tip of my thumb, like a 1/4 of an inch. So let me see if I can work this in here. And I think it's actually about a 1/4 inch too long. So that's posing a little bit of an issue. So see what we got. Looks like I have it tucked up in here around here, and I have almost an inch extra right here. Like I got about an inch extra, so I'm gonna slice that there, tuck that in, and hopefully that'll be done. I can still see the waves in the back of this headliner where I stretched it, so I don't think I'll do it myself again. I'll get help next time. I cut about that much off. Looks like an inch. It does have a little metal in there, so you could cut a lot of it with a razor blade and then snip it with some 10 snips or something. And the top piece grabs hold to the metal rim. You could squeeze that closed if there's anywhere on there that it's not holding onto the metal, and it may do a better job holding onto the metal. So I do have that thing up there pretty good. That's where my seam is. Turned out nice. I got to get it to hug up here a little bit better than it is. I've pulled that off a time or two and try to pound that on there. To get it to stay, I may have to squeeze it with some pliers or something. But even the corner I thought was shy looks pretty good. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.